Enjoy the view of this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Welcome to the top of the food chain. The Silverado 3500 HD rules the worksite and yet has the refinement to give you a ride that's quiet, smooth, and maneuverable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. You wouldn't use the wrong tool, so why would you get a truck that's not up to the job? Get the Silverado 3500 HD.